A big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to Diva Classes. This is Zivya Vadvani, your BSc teacher. Today we'll be solving the paper of 2023 ISC examination that was held today itself. First thing, this paper would be unclear to you since I was not having the hard copy of it. So whatever was available, this is here. I will send you the PDF of this on Telegram. The first question in this is according to Maslow, I'm reading out from here. The first question is according to Maslow, one of the human needs deals with the realization of one's own potential. तो ये कौन सी need है? This is self actualization need. Second question, which barrier of communication can be overcome by using words familiar to the receiver? Semantic barrier होता है या language barrier होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं जिसमें लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड या वर्ड्स रिलेटेड इश्यूज होते हैं तो दिस विल बी सिमेंटिक बैरियर. Then third one, a report may have an attachment containing statistical data, tables, graphs. What is this attachment known as? So this attachment is known as appendix. Next question is, which part of management is concerned with employees and their interrelationships within the organization? So this will be human resource management. Next question is, expand FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. जितना पूछा गया है सिर्फ उतना ही उस क्वेश्चन में मेंशन करना है. You just need to expand it. तो simply आप उसका full form लिख दो. Then dash involves planning the requirements for staff in near future by the organization. So this is known as manpower estimation. Next question, seventh one says dash means permanent termination of an employee's service by an organization due to economic reasons. तो this will be known as retrenchment. ये सब बुक से उठाए, कहीं इधर उधर के आंसर्स नहीं हैं ये. Then next one, eighth one says that dash style of leadership reduces resistance to change and increases the acceptance of new ideas. So this is known as participative or democratic leadership. Next question says that dash provides life insurance cover to the employees under a single insurance policy. So this is group insurance. This we had already discussed also. Okay, now we will move towards MCQs जिसकी पिक्चर कुछ ज्यादा ही अनक्लियर है, इवन हमको भी नहीं दिख रही. तो the first question is a promotion policy which considers only a few select employees as candidates for promotion. तो this will be known as closed. The second part, first होता है open जब हम सारे candidates को लेते हैं, but अगर few candidates तो it will be closed one. Then second question says that which of the following cannot be completely outsourced by an organization. Now this question I am opening it as debate in case you know what can be there. The four options are recruitment of clerical staff, ये हम बाहर दे सकते हैं किसी को भी. Tabulation of wages can be given, training of data entry personnel can be there, but promotion of employees I don't think that it can be completely outsourced by an organization. So this is my answer. If in case there is some other answer that you know, I don't know, you can mention it in the comment box. Next question says with reference to the types of business communication, identify the odd one. Now I have listened about formal, informal, oral, but diagonal I don't know. So this is my answer. In case your answer is something else, you can also mention it in the comment box. Next is the 4 points of true false. First says staff selection is a negative process. Yes, it is a negative process. First one, staff recruitment is a positive process and staff selection is negative. Second question, public deposits are deposits made by the public in nationalized banks. तो public deposits वो होते हैं that are made with non banking companies. ये तब से चला आ रहा है जब से banks भी नहीं आए थे. तो this one is false. This will be public deposits वो deposits होते हैं जो public non banking companies के साथ रखती है. Then third one says, so this will be false. Third one says, under special circumstances, a low morale of employees can lead to high productivity. Yes, under some sort of fear of losing the job. They can, this is kind of an example जिसमें a person with a low morale can lead to high productivity. And last one is globalization has increased competition among companies. Obviously it has increased competition among companies so as to perform better. इसके बाद जितना भी था that was completely theory including the part of this last case study जिसमें आपसे simply क्या पूछा गया है. Actually it's not visible. सबसे लास्ट वाला जो पार्ट है that has been asked is you need to tell whether these sources can be used as ABC by ABC or not for raising funds. So you need to give answers to it. So this is a very simple kind of question. Okay. So the main part was this, the first one part that we have solved. If there's anything you need to understand this, you can mention it in the comment box. Keep preparing for your exams. Best wishes. Thank you.